Good morning, students. So, in the last class, we studied about minerals. Now, today, we will learn about types of minerals. So, children, there are two types of minerals. First is metallic minerals, and second is non metallic minerals. So, today, we will learn about metallic minerals, some common metallic minerals, and places in India which they are found. So, metallic minerals. These are minerals from which we get metals. So, children, what are metallic minerals? Metallic minerals are those types of minerals from which we get metals. So, we get metals from metallic minerals. And children, usually metals are hard and shiny. So, metals are hard and they are shiny also. And some common examples of metals that you will see are iron, copper, gold, tin, and silver. So, these are some common metals that you might have seen in your daily lives. Now, children, minerals form an important part of our life, and India is very rich with different kinds of minerals, and iron is the most important metal of all. So, our first metal is iron. So, most iron ores are extracted by surface mining. Uses: buildings, heavy machinery, railways, buses, cars, bridges, and agricultural equipment. Regions: Jharkhand, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, and Maharashtra. So, iron ores are rocks and minerals from which iron is taken out. What are iron ores? They are rocks and minerals from which we get iron. So, most iron ores are extracted or they are taken out by surface mining. And in the last class, we had learned that mining is a process of taking out minerals from the earth's surface. So, children, iron ore is also taken out by mining process only. And what are the uses of iron? It is used to make buildings, then heavy machinery. Heavy machinery means making heavy machines. So, to make heavy machines, railways, buses, cars, bridges, and agricultural equipment or agricultural tools. So, to make all these things, we need iron. And children, in India, iron is found in the states of Jharkhand, and in Jharkhand it is found in Singhbhum, then in Odisha, and in Odisha it is found in Mayurbhanj, then it is also found in the states of Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, and Maharashtra. So, in all these states, children, iron are found in large quantities. Now, next, children, we will study about manganese. Now, manganese is second only to iron and is present in abundance inside the earth's crust. Now, uses: steel, chemical, and glass industries. Regions: Maharashtra, Goa, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, and Karnataka. So, children, manganese is the second most important metallic mineral, and it is also present in abundance. Abundance means in large quantities inside the earth's surface. So, manganese is also found in large quantities inside the earth's crust. Now, children, manganese is used in steel industry, glass industry, and chemical industry to make glass, steel, and different types of chemicals. And children, in India, manganese is found in the states of Maharashtra, Goa, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, and Karnataka. So, in all these states, we find manganese in large quantities. Then, next, children, you have aluminium. So, the ore of aluminium is known as bauxite. Uses ships, utensils, aeroplanes, automobile bodies, and electrical wires. Then regions: Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Odisha, and Jharkhand. So, children, aluminium is found in the bauxite ore. So, this over here, children, this is the bauxite ore, and from this rock only we extract or we get aluminium. So, this is the bauxite ore, and from this rock we get aluminium. So, children, aluminium is a very strong metal and it is used to make things like ship, utensils, aeroplanes, automobile bodies, and also electrical wires. So, all these are made from aluminium itself. And in India, aluminium is found in the states of Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Odisha, and Jharkhand. Lastly, children, we have copper. So, combination of copper and zinc produces brass. Then, copper when mixed with tin produces bronze. Uses: electric wires, electric appliances, and utensils. Regions: Khetri in Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and Uttar Pradesh. So, children, our last metallic mineral is copper. So, children, when we mix copper and zinc together, it produces brass, and in Hindi, brass is known as petal. So, when we mix copper and zinc, we get brass, and when copper is mixed with tin, it produces bronze, and Hindi it is known as Kansa. So, when we mix copper and tin, we get bronze. Now, children, copper is used to make electrical wires and electrical appliances. And children, utensils are also made from copper. So, all these things are made from copper. And lastly, the states in which copper is found are Khetri in Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and Uttar Pradesh. Now, children, here I would like to show you, this is iron ore. This is iron ore from which we get or which we take out iron. So, iron is found in this way in the form of iron ore, and then we take out iron from these rocks. And as I have already shown you, this is the bauxite ore. So, this is a rock, and we get aluminium from this rock. So, I hope now the ore of bauxite and iron ore must be clear to you all. So, children, today we will learn only about metallic minerals. In the next class, we will study about non-metallic minerals. So, please read the chapter nicely 2 or 3 times, and in case if you have any doubt, you can connect with us through Campus Care, and I will see you all in the next class. Thank you, children.